So I'm not here to hold you, but let me show you some time-saving design hacks that you can use when it comes to creating digital products. Listen, this is busy schedule approved, okay? Coming from someone who has a busy schedule herself, I work my 9 to 5, plus, I'm making content. I still need to find the time to make the products to sell, okay? So I get it. And I feel like a lot of times that's where people hesitation is, right? Because you have so many other things that takes up your time during the day, during the week, that you're questioning, how will I even find the time to make these digital products and to know what's working? So in today's video, I partnered with my friends over at Kittl to show you some easy, design hacks, so that way you can start making money on the side. Because that's really what it's all about, right? Like the desire to make money while you're working, right? To hear the cha-chings come up when you're working your job, in your meetings, in your daily routine, that's still a strong desire. But now it's like the how, getting to the how. How do I make these? How do I save time making these? That's the part that we're going to talk about today. Now I'm going to focus on like template style designs because those are relatively easy and they're already kind of set up for you when it comes to knowing where to start to sell these digital products. So the templates I'm going to focus on are like calendar templates, to-do lists, and even like digital invites, because girl, I just found out that digital invites are really popular when it comes to sending like graduation invites, birthday invitations, weddings, anything that you're celebrating, when it comes to a party. People love those digital style invites. So these are 3 templates off the bat that you can start thinking about when it comes to designing and then selling on whatever marketplace or even your own website. Okay, so jumping into Kittl, like I said, I want to focus on like the template style digital products because number one, they already give you a format and a framework to start with, so that way it saves you time. Okay, again, we all about saving that time. So just looking through the templates that Kittl offers, I'm going to look at invitations. I mentioned like list style templates, so you can have like to-do lists, shopping lists, wedding lists, whatever, and then calendars. And then this is really good to also mention, when it comes to products to sell during this specific time frame. We're in Q4, so people are starting to think about how they can get on a good track for 2025, the beginning of the year. Y'all know the drill. You know what time it is, right? So when it comes to templates, I'm going to go back over to my invitations. I'm going to select that. And so I'm going to start just really observing what's going on. So I noticed we have some minimalist style templates for maybe like weddings, all the cute stuff that involves weddings. You have some fun like theme type templates you can also use for digital invitations. Big 30, okay, again, digital invitations for parties, all that good fun stuff. So you really can go through here and say, wow, I have so many things to choose from. I don't have to start from scratch. I love that for us. So when it comes to templates, I'm going to click on this round floral wedding invitation. And so once I click on this, it brings me to this invitation. Now from here, I will highly caution that you just don't take this design and sell it. However, when it comes to, repurposing templates and anything that's related to Kittl, you do have a built-in commercial-free license. So you don't have to have the worry that you will be compromised selling something because Kittl already gives you that license permission to really, take their designs and sell them for a profit, like on Etsy or your own website. But I would still, just say, come from an original space, right? Let's be creative and just put things in our own little way. So just using this template, I can change a few things, right? So I can change the background color if I wanted to. I can type on the text. I can really just go ahead and do a whole, let's ungroup it, put the elements in different spaces. But nonetheless, this will give you a good idea to start because this template is already set up for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and ungroup these elements. So I right-clicked on my ellipses here, just select ungroup. And now I can just take these elements and put them somewhere else, right? So if I wanted to put them throughout the template, kind of, make them more scattered looking, I have the ability to do that. This is what I'm saying when it comes to making things your own, but you have a good foundation to start. And this is going to be the same thing you can implement like when it comes to your to-do list and any other templates that you really want to sell after you validate it. But you get my gist, right? So this is super easy. It won't take me long to really make this, make this change. I can also go in here and change the font, get rid of some things. You have so many opportunities, but the biggest thing, of course, is again, saving that time. So just with a few modifications, I can go ahead and just switch this out and even resave it. I'm going to change the font just because that's just who I am. Make things different. So, you know, simple, real simple, okay? And it still kind of matches the aesthetic of the original template design. And that's what I really appreciate about Kittl. Like, they give you the inspo, but they're also like, okay, now you try and you can make it your own. So I'm going to go back out and do the same thing for like to-do lists and also maybe a calendar. Now I can just type in calendar here in the search bar and let's see what it gives me. We got lots of options, okay? Love that for us. So this is something when it comes to a schedule, right? So this is a good idea when being able to maybe create a template for teachers or people who really go by a schedule. So when it comes to this class schedule, again, I have a good foundation. I can go ahead and of course make it my own, change the colors around, switch some things up, obviously change like maybe the subjects of the schedule too, depending on what class it's for. But this is something that you can create for someone to buy for their classroom or whatever type of instructor that they are. This is super simple, right? We're keeping it simple. We're not trying to make it complicated because we're just focused about saving that time. So those are just examples, I'm talking about when it comes to design saving hacks. This is going to be your best friend. So when it comes to, a good start, I would start with templates. You can never go wrong, and also just kind of build from there. Now, I told you I wasn't going to keep you long. So if you want to try Kittl for yourself, you can use my link here below in the description box. In addition to some other links I'll provide if you really needed some more inspo on what to design for your digital products. As always, thank you so much for watching. Have fun creating, and I'm going to catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.